Hello friends, I am Kanishka Kumar Dasar here to discuss about adjective of comparison. So dear friends, as you know, adjective has the comparative forms. Why comparative forms are used? Now adjectives comparative forms are used in order to compare one thing with another, to compare one object with another, to compare one person with another. Okay, the quality, the quantity, etc., etc. So we'll discuss vividly the adjective of comparison, how the comparison is being done. Let's discuss. Adjective has three kinds of comparative forms. One is positive degree, it has positive degree of comparison, comparative degree of comparison, and superlative degree of comparison. You know it better. In positive degree of comparison, we don't compare, we only, it is this form is used only to the particular person, but comparative form of comparison, it is used to compare two persons, two objects, okay, and superlative degree is used to compare one person with all, more than two. And while we write the adjective of comparison, means comparative form, we use then after that, and while we use superlative form, before that we use the article. Let's practice some. First, bright. Bright is the positive form, its comparative form is brighter, superlative form is brightest. Use of bright. It was a bright sunny day. So it was a bright sunny day means there was no cloud, the sun was shining, and a person is saying it was a bright sunny day. Bright means glowing, bright sunny day. Brighter. Ram's portrait shines brighter than others. Ram's portrait, portrait as you know, the picture, the painting. Ram's painting, portrait, shines, it is glowing, brighter than others. So Ram's portrait has been compared with others portraits, and after comparison, okay, it is clear that, it made clear that Ram's portrait is brighter. Then brightest, the use of brightest in sentence. Ram is the brightest student in his class. Brightest. So comparing with others, it has been concluded that Ram is the brightest among all. Again, cheap. Cheap is the positive degree form. Its comparative form is cheaper, superlative degree form is cheapest. In order to use in sentence, we may discuss like curtains are made of cheap materials. Curtains, as you know, you hang them in your door, from your door, okay. So curtains are made of cheap materials. Those materials are cheap. Cheap means not costly. Cheap are not costly. Cheaper, comparative degree form. This gas station is cheaper than the one by the highway. So whatever gas stations are found This gas station is cheaper if we compare with others. It has been said like this. So, cheapest. It is almost the cheapest way to fly. Cheapest. Clear? So, if we compare with others, this one is the cheapest one. Okay? Then cold. Cold is the positive degree form, colder is the comparative degree form, and coldest is the superlative degree form. Use of cold in sentence. It was a cold winter. It was a cold winter. Okay? Then colder. The wind was colder than it was just a few minutes ago. So a few minutes before, the wind was blowing less colder. Now the wind is blowing, okay, and it was colder than the last one. Coldest. January is the coldest month. January was the coldest month, or January is the coldest month. Okay, so in comparison to other months, January is being stated as the coldest among all. Then coolest. Positive degree form is cool, its comparative degree form is cooler, and superlative degree form is coolest. Cool. I feel a little cool. Look at the example. Cooler. This place is cooler than that. Okay, if we compare the two places, this place seems cooler than that place. So we use comparative degree form while we compare between two objects, two places. Okay, and superlative degree form when we compare a particular object or place or thing with others, more than two. I think you have understood. In order to learn the uses of other words described here, stated here, okay, please go through my video. Okay, just like dark, darker, darkest. You please practice. Dark, darker, darkest. Deep, deeper, deepest. Dear, dearer, dearest. Faint, fainter, faintest. Okay, please practice again and again. Go through my video thoroughly. You will understand. Thank you. Dark. In sentence, she sat in the dark room alone. Darker, the comparative form of dark. This room is darker than that. Darkest. It is one of the darkest episodes in Indian history. Deep. This is a deep hole. Deeper. She swam deeper into the lake. Deepest. He wanted to know her deepest thoughts and feelings. Dear. He is a dear friend of mine. Dearer. He alone is now dearer to me. Dearest. He is my dearest friend. Faint. He could see faint lines in her face. Fainter. His respiration grew fainter throughout the day. Faintest. I haven't the faintest idea how to care for a snake.